Test a fan relay by confirming coil continuity, switching action, and contact condition with a multimeter and a controlled power application. Start by removing power and locating the relay so you can access coil and contact terminals safely. With the relay isolated, set your multimeter to measure resistance and check the coil terminals. A readable low to moderate resistance means the coil is intact, while an open line means the coil is broken and the relay should be replaced. Next, check the contact terminals for continuity with the relay de-energized. Many relays will show continuity between normally closed contacts and no continuity between normally open contacts until the coil is energized. If you can energize the coil safely using the proper rated voltage, observe the meter for the change in contact state and listen for a distinct click that indicates mechanical movement. Inspect the contact faces and the socket for any burn marks, pitting, or loose wiring that would cause high resistance even if the relay actuates. When readings are abnormal, replace the relay and retest the circuit after reconnecting wiring and restoring power. Common problems include a coil that measures open, which means the relay has failed and must be replaced, contacts that show continuity when they should be open, which indicates welded contacts and requires replacement, and intermittent operation caused by corroded sockets or loose connections, which you can fix by cleaning contacts and tightening or replacing the socket and terminals. Another frequent issue is misapplied test voltage. Using the wrong coil voltage can give false results, so always verify the rated coil voltage printed on the relay and use a matching test source. Also, avoid relying only on the audible click, since a relay can click but have burned contacts. Always confirm contact continuity with the meter under proper conditions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like relay diagnostics and blower repair. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work. And our site includes a discussion community where members share tips and troubleshooting experiences.